after doing some research, and let's test this out. My phone has just updated to MIUI 8, and fingerprint scanner is pretty great. Let's see, I'll put my finger there, boom, lock in. Let's try it again. Phone is off, put my finger in the back, boom, go back in. This phone has great speed for the low cost, so it's pretty much close to simple Android, Wi-Fi on, mobile data. Unfortunately for me, it doesn't work. Still say away, 3G away for me, so it's not for my service provider. But here I'm gonna try to go to the Mi Store or App Store. I think this is the App Store. Let's search for Google. I'm trying to see if I can get the Google Store here. I learned this from an online YouTube video. Now I'm gonna try it myself. Type Google, search. It gives me nothing, so we're gonna click on the blue one. It said in Chinese, it said go to Baidu search. So on Baidu search, it'll bring to Google installer is what it means. So let's install it. So it is installed. Before launch, I will try to see if I can go to setting. There's no setting on top. Have to go back home, go to setting, and then don't lose it. Go to additional setting, and under privacy, don't click too fast. Under privacy, and there's unknown sources, so we gotta allow install unknown sources, because through this device everything else is unknown sources. Now we are going to install the app that I just got in. Let's see, it's supposed to install Google service, Google account, install. This is almost like the opposite. If I try to install other APK from stock Android, this is what it's gonna look like. Now it's the opposite. So it's like I'm installing Google Account Manager, like install some illegal apps into the stock device. Now Google Play service. Come on, so excited. I need Google Play Store. I can't take this Chinese store anymore. Well, 3 out of 6 install, 38%. So Google Play Store, 43%. Nice, getting close to 100%. Google Calendar, Google, I think Google Contact or something like that. It's in Chinese. Sorry, my Chinese is not that good. I can read them to fully understand what they mean. I'm not there yet. Alright, it is done, and I'm opening it, checking, allow. Okay, so it's like a foreign app right now to the device. There'll be a lot of security question. Checking info, yeah, checking. Alright, now I'm gonna put my Google account and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so this should be good. Accept. Nice. Cool. So this seems to be like a old Google Play Store. Let's look at what our Google Play Store currently look like. Our current Play Store looks like this on the left side, but not the right side. So this is the old one. I'll find a way to update it to look like the one on the left side. Okay. There should be an option for me to update it. Setting. I don't like auto update. Do not update apps. Build version. Okay, so it will say a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. Okay, that means it should be done automatically, I believe. Nice, I like that. So it will update automatically. So far I got this. So let's try to download the best thing and the thing that I always use. For example, Chrome browser. Let's download. Can't be downloaded. Try again. Okay, let's try again. So I cannot download anything right now. Maybe until the App Store is updated. Otherwise, I cannot download it. So let's wait and see. This App Store will be updated. And this is useless now. Go to Google Play. Yeah, I'm in Google Play. Okay, interesting. So this is Google installer app. I don't need it anymore. You can delete it. Just pull it up here and it will be gone. So I'll just leave it for now. I'll see if my Play Store is gonna update itself, and then it will work fine with everything else. See, it looks good. Like my apps, this is what is on there. What can be updated? Let's update this just in case. Shoot, it won't even allow me to update. So that means I have to wait for my App Store to update. But this is a first process. If it doesn't work, I will put it in the description below. But right now, everything is new, and yeah. So I've been playing with this for a while now. Let's turn it on and see how it is. I have installed the Play Store inside. Let's see how it goes for turning it on. It'll take a while. Yeah, quite fast. So that is the speed. I didn't speed up the video, and it is on. Boom. Oh, does it tap? It doesn't have double tap, but anyhow, this is the screen that we first come in. I just added a few things. The Play Store has a problem when we first download it. Maybe it doesn't happen to everyone, but it happened to me. So when we try to install an app, there is a message show up and said there was an error every time you're trying to update or install anything. But I found a solution to solve this problem. It took me a while. I've tried everything. I tried restart. I tried many other things. I look at the video account, but there's one thing that actually worked for me, is that inside the Play Store there is you see my account's already in there. I'll find a way to take this off. I look at the setting, it's not where, there's nowhere in the setting that I can take my account off. So I have to go to the setting. To solve this problem, I need to remove my account from the Play Store first. So I go here and then I go to setting, go to other accounts, and in Google I go inside here. I just need to remove the account. Once I remove the account and then restart the device, reboot and reboot again. Once it's come back in, I log into the Play Store account and then it works fine. I can install any app I want. So as you can see, before they were all Chinese apps. I'm playing it for like a day now. Now that I can have Pokemon Go, Clash Royale, and other basic app that I want, Facebook seems to work fine. And it runs smoothly. So this device is actually pretty fast. I'm not looking into the spec or the software testing, but just a basic, like a person using a phone. I have turned this on and I have turned the Chrome on and it works fine. So actually this $180 phone is pretty great. So something like that. Clash Royale, let's open this and see the speed. Boom, boom, jump right in. Ta-da! There you go. This is, as you can see, the speed, how fast it goes. See? So, there you go. And then Chrome. There you go. Press this. Woo! So, this to me, this is a great phone. For this price, wow, I can't believe it. Now I can just delete all this crap that I don't want. Let's look around this this MIUI to give you some idea what it looks like. So off, on, the screen is the same as any Android screen, and then phone. It has their own browser, which I will not like. I like my own browser. I don't like this browser. Can I delete it? No, I cannot remove it. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay, let's push this back to the top. It's not good. Let's move this up. Where's my Chrome? Yes, here it is. There you go. Chrome browser. Time. I don't know if I can remove the stock apps. One bad thing about this phone is that it's missing the apps area, so you don't have a button to go inside where all the apps are showing. So everything that you install is right at the front screen. It's pretty much like an iOS, an Apple phone, and whatever you install is at the screen. So it'll crunch all the thing into the desktop. There's no place that we want to hide it. So I just put it into a folder. Putting things in a folder is simple too. Just hold this and then put it into another, on top of another app. It'll go right in. So pull down, you got this bar with all these shortcuts on, toggle on and off, the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything else. They have a weather, this is notification, press an X, you take that off, and then that is the setting. Inside setting, this is a dual SIM card. So setting is pretty basic. Also all this simple stuff. Of course it has more option than the stock Android because it put more stuff inside. There's more modification on this MIUI. And then I didn't have a Mi account installed yet. Maybe I'll do it later. System app. Okay, system app means the app that I cannot uninstall. It will stick in there. That is, they call it bloatware, and this is the app that you can uninstall that I install after the fact. And app lock, dual apps. Oh my god, cool. It has dual apps to create dual apps to use them separately. Dual apps will have specific home screen icon. Oh my god, this function is great because, like, for example, dual app, if I put on Facebook, that means I can have two Facebook accounts. One is for myself and one is for my wife's account. Like, oh, I can use two accounts together, like Clash Royale. This is all the supports. Oh, I can have two Pokemon Go accounts in one device. Damn, this is great. And there is one pretty cool function. Also, it is the second space. It said create a separate space for your phone. Using second space is like having two devices. So I think it'll create like two split the hard drive, and it go into two. It's creating. Let's test it out. I think it's creating like two accounts. So with one phone number, two accounts. There you go, another account. Yes, this is the other account that it has nothing. It's like a plain new thing. So, and then let's switch with my fingerprint, switching. Yes, and then go back to the account that I have installed everything. So you can have two user, one SIM, one phone number, or two apps, one apps with two accounts. Let's test it out. Wow, this is great function. Damn, I love this UI. So I can have like two Pokemon Go, which is I can play with my girlfriend instead of holding two phones. You can jump back and forth. The AM. So, ooh. Let's put on games. There you go. So I have two different Pokemon Go accounts. Wow, this is great. So far these are the things that I just found together with this video. Anything else, if I find more stuff, I'll create another video about this MIUI. But at this moment, this is a basic great UI that I like with a low price phone. pretty fast speed. This is the cheapest phone I can find in the smartphone I can find in the market that can have this speed. 3 gig of RAM, 32 gig of hard drive. So fingerprint reader, wow, this is great. If it works with your network, I highly recommend it. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with mine. Mine is a cheap network that I save money on, which is fine. So I love it. Thank you for watching, guys, and please check out my video, the rest of the video below. Subscribe. If you have any comment, please let me know. Any question, I will try to answer it almost immediately. See you in the next video.